Hello and welcome to the channel. In moves that will certainly come as a surprise to many, the political parties which make up the House of Representatives have come together to form an alliance. APC, PDP, LP and Nnpp all came together to form this coalition. The reason for this will be read shortly. But first, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. House Speakership. Lawmakers from APC, PDP, LP, Nnpp, others form coalition. A coalition of members of the House of Representatives from the 8 parties that will be represented in the 10th House has agreed to respect the zoning of the leadership of the House by the ruling All Progressives Congress, APC. The lawmakers made the commitment on Tuesday during the inauguration of the coalition known as the Joint Task in Abuja. The members of the coalition are drawn from the APC, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), the Labour Party (LP), the New Nigeria People's Party (Nnpp), the All Progressives Grand Alliance (APGA), the Social Democratic Party (SDP), the African Democratic Congress (ADC), and the Young Progressive Party (YPP). However, not all the members of these parties are part of the coalition. Speaking at the inauguration of the coalition, the co-chairman Bello Kumo APC Gombe said the lawmakers within the coalition have no candidate yet, but they are waiting for the zoning of the ruling party. Our message to Nigerians at this point is that we are ready to work for the betterment of our country and the citizens. To achieve that, we have to work harmoniously with the executive arm without compromising our independence. Let me emphasize in conclusion that our concern is Nigeria's unity and the stability of the 10th House of Representatives. I thank you very much for your time, and we hope you will work with us to make our country better, he said. Also speaking on the coalition, Aliyu Madaki, a member-elect on the platform of Nnpp, said the lawmakers are not going to be a rubber stamp to any speaker. Rather, they are giving the APC the opportunity to decide the presiding officers based on international best practices. He explained that a party with the majority is expected to produce presiding officers. What we want to do is to bring harmonious relationships between the executive and the legislature. I want to state very clearly, we are not going to be a rubber stamp to anybody, but we intend to do what is the world's best practice. We recognize the fact that anywhere you go in the world, the party with the majority produces who will be the presiding officer. For someone like me who is a member of the minority party, I will assure Nigerians that we will provide a robust opposition, but we will do it in a way and manner that will add value to the Nigerian people, he said. The ruling APC has 177 members elect, while the PDP has 116 members. LP and Nnpp have 36 and 19 members elect, respectively. Others are APGA with 5, ADC 2, SDP 2, and YPP 1. The coalition also announced that Mr. Kumo and Kingsley Shinda, PDP Rivers, are the co-chairmen of the group, while Mr. Madaki is the secretary. Olubunmi Tunji Ojo, APC Ondo, is the finance secretary. Babajimi Benson, APC Lagos, is in charge of contact and mobilization, and Dennis Idaosa, APC Edo, is in charge of monitoring and intelligence. Premium Times reported that the governors of the ruling APC have proposed the zoning of the speakership to the northwest or north-central geopolitical zones. While the lawmakers await the decision on zoning, 11 lawmakers have declared interest in the position. They are the incumbent Deputy Speaker, Idris Wase, APC Plateau, Yusuf Godgi, APC Plateau, Mukhtar Betara, APC Bono, Sada Soli, APC Katsina, Tunji Olawuyi, APC Kwara, and Abubakar Maki, APC Jigawa, have all declared interest. Others are Tajuddin Abbas, APC Kaduna, Aminu Jaji, APC Zamfara, Ben Kalu, APC Abia, and Miriam Onwoha, APC Imo. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. Meanwhile, the outgoing governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, on Tuesday restated his position that Nigeria's ruling party, APC, should zone the Senate presidency to the Southeast region. Mr. Umahi, a member of the APC, stated this while addressing journalists in Abuja after a visit to President Muhammadu Buhari to apparently seek the president's support for his ambition to be the next Senate president. I think that every region clamoring for the presidency of the Senate to be zoned to it is the right of such people, he said. If you look at the true reflection of our society, you will agree with me that the right thing to be done by our leaders without prejudice to their rights and thinking is that the Southeast deserves the number 3 position. The governor, who was recently elected to the Senate, acknowledged that the Southeast did not give President-elect Bola Tinubu the majority of votes from the region, but said the new administration needs the cooperation of the minority people to have a holistic nation to govern. This is very important, and I have always said that you can deliver somebody by the reason of the majority votes of particular regions, but you also need the cooperation of the minority people to have a holistic nation to govern. So, for inclusiveness, unity of the country, and for everybody to be carried along, the Southeast deserves the position, and so far, nobody has been able to say this is the reason why the Southeast should not be given that position, and I am pleading for that. Mr. Umahi said leaders of the ruling party APC in the Southeast worked hard for the party even before the presidential election, thus the strides it made in winning other elective positions. I know what efforts we made as a people for the unity of the country. I know the way we were regarded, and we understand that we are stronger while we are together, and we made vows to our people while we were campaigning for APC. We assured them that we belong to an equitable and fair Nigeria. Now, it has come to a point where that position we took should be put to practice, and that is what we are begging for because the chain is as strong as the weakest link, and it is time for healing, inclusiveness, as well as the time to move this country forward, he said. That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.